So, hey everyone, welcome back to the Campus Ecos. Today it's the ninth episode, and in this episode, I will be sitting down with my batchmate Sumit Soni. He's been placed at PhonePe right now at the role of risk analyst. We both actually started our placement journey together, especially for the data analyst and the data science roles. In the initial phase of our placement season, we both secured the role of business analyst in Pristine Infotech, and later on, he kept moving, and now he's placed at PhonePe. So today he is with us, sharing his views and his interview preparation and what are the things that he followed. I hope this conversation gives you some insights for your own placement preparation. So let's get started. Okay, Sumit. So starting with your introduction part first.
Hello everyone, myself Sumit Soni. I am from Kota, Rajasthan. Recently, I have completed my tech from NIT Agartala. Alongside, I hold a minor degree in business analytics from IIT Mandi. Recently, I have been placed in PhonePe as a risk analyst. I'll be sharing my journey with you guys. Thank you, Dhruv, for giving me this opportunity.
So now tell us about your placement journey.
Talking about my placement journey, it started in the beginning of the third year itself when I figured out that I want to make my career in the field of analytics domain. There I've come up to a course which was curated by the professors of IIT Mandi for the role of business analytics. I got enrolled myself into the course and was actively solving the assignments and the problems that has been given to us within the course itself. Over the period of time, I was able to identify what right skill set and tech stack is required for the role which I am targeting. Along with the course, I did some of the other things that helped me land a job at PhonePe and some other offers. I gave mock interviews on the platform like Unstop and TopMate and worked on myself based on the feedback that has been given to me by the mentors. I have also got my resume reviewed from some of the industry experts. I was actively making hands-on projects while taking the raw dataset from Kaggle. For the revision purpose to build my confidence, I used Anki platforms for revising my concepts. It helps us to revise the concepts in the form of flashcards. The YouTube channel that I have followed during my journey were CampusX and Krish Nayak for learning the concepts like Python, SQL, data engineering concepts, and machine learning concepts. So this is about my placement journey.
Moving to the next part. So Sumit, tell us about your interview experience at PhonePe.
Talking about the hiring process at PhonePe, we have been notified that the hiring will be conducted in steps, which includes an online assessment followed by a group discussion and some technical interviews. The online assessment and group discussion were scheduled on day 1 and the technical interviews were scheduled on day 2. The online assessment includes the question from quant, verbal ability, and logical reasoning. There were 36 questions which we have to solve in 45 minutes, followed by a group discussion. In the group discussions, the students were divided into different panels. The students who were successfully able to clear the group discussion will have to give the technical interviews on the day 2. In the technical interviews in the round 1, they started asking me questions based on the projects that I have worked on, alongside some of the extracurricular activities which I have mentioned in my resume. The interviewer had previously worked on McKinsey, so they were more interested in knowing about my business acumen as well as my problem solving approach with the case studies. So they have given me a case study as well as one guesstimate. I have taken my time and gave them my approach around the case study. They were quite happy. Then I went into the round 2. In the round 2, the interviewer started asking me questions from SQL. They asked me 4 SQL queries, followed by the understanding that I have around the machine learning algorithms. Because I have made one project using machine learning algorithm, which was random forest. So they have given me a task that what step will I consider while training a model, and what is my approach around it, and why I did not use any other model rather than random forest. I give them my understanding around that. Followed by I went into the round 3. They asking me questions from Python libraries because I have mentioned that into my resume. I gave them the answer around it, followed by a case study, which is the existing problem that PhonePe is facing now. I have taken my time and told them the approach that I had regarding it. They were quite happy. Then I went into the managerial round. We had a general discussion that we have in the managerial round itself about the general questions that HR asked, and fortunately I was able to clear the interviews as well as the managerial round and land a job at PhonePe.
Okay, so what is the one piece of advice you would like to share with our junior batch?
The advice that I have for the upcoming batches: participate in as much case comms and hackathons as you can while being in college, as it will help you to solve complex business problems in constrained time frame. The second advice that I have is try to solve as much problems as you can, as it is much appreciated in interviews. The third advice that I have is always try to bring solution to the table. The fourth advice that I have is always try to consume the resources that are available in the market smartly. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Okay, so that's all for the today's conversation. I hope you got something useful from it, and thanks a lot to Sumit and to everyone watching there. If you enjoyed this video, please do like it and subscribe my channel so you don't miss an update regarding the next interview experience coming up in the next episode. Thank you everyone. See you in the next episode.